Machiegni eneno wechego eko mag ohala mabende waikonie LTN otieno masani. Kambi Modhi mar RUBiS Energy Kenya oyawo Bade ayanga e chiro ma Pachoka tok kawo kambi mar KenolKobil PLC kod Gulf Energy Holdings Limited. Chenro mar RUBiS Kenya kawo KenolKobil kod Gulf Energy omiyo gin ema gitelo ne kembe modhi duto e Pachoka kod market shares mar atamalo moheo 21 kod stations moheo 230. Kaluwore kod Managing Director mar RUBiS Energy Kenya Migosi Jean Christine, RUBiS nokawo okang' mar biro e chiro ma Pachoka nikech dongruok mamalo manitiere thurka kendo geno ma gin godo ni lony margi biro moro customers ma Pachoka.
Our strategy is definitely to grow in East Africa. When we decided to both KenolKobil and Gulf Energy, it was because these companies have a good footprint in East Africa, and we want definitely to grow and to bring more value to all the customers in East Africa. Obviously, the focus will be in Kenya, but we are looking at the entire region to grow. We did significant investment in Kenya. The first one was the acquisition of KenolKobil, and as you may know, it was a company listed on the Nairobi Stock Exchange, and we bought $350 million that company. It's very much official, so we can share that number with you. After that, we bought a company by the name of Gulf Energy, and we are now continuing to invest heavily in order to modernize our sites, to modernize our asset in Kenya. So we are talking a big investment in the past and also for the future.